everyone. This cough etiquette video is brought to you by Hospital Infection Control Super Speciality Cancer Institute, Lucknow. So, whenever you have cough or sneezing or upper respiratory tract infection, always use a tissue paper while coughing or sneezing. And then, proper disposal of the tissue paper is very important. This is to be discarded in the yellow bin. If you don't have tissue paper, you can also cough into your inner aspect of arm because your clothes can go for washing. But if you will cough or sneeze by using your hand, this will result in spread of infection.